Hey guys, I'm cleaning out something today. Oh, the door came off. Hey, think fast. Wait a minute. Oh, ow. Crawfish. Here you go. Think fast. Oh, it's on my eyebrows. Ow. Fish. Oh, my face. Oh, you want to feel something worse? Bottles. Wait a minute. Oh. Huh. Fireworks. And that's it. Bye. Oh, and a chicken leg. A chicken drumstick. Oh, oh.